Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Saturday, May 12th. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We did get a big old box. I'm not sure if this is Amazon related or something else. It has my name on it. Kind of weird. But we get inside and see what it is. You guys can check them out. Link's going to be down below. There we go. Pretty curious though. Mailman was not too happy with this time around. It is pouring down rain. Uh-oh. What do we have here? Whoa. Alright. Pretty good packaging. Check a look. There we go. Whoa. What is this thing? Put you guys down. Grab it. This would be a good gift for anybody. There goes box. And this is Amazon Prime. Coming from my good friends, Nursal. Oh boy, oh boy. There we go. This is the rechargeable cordless Shiatsu 3D deep kneading massager heat function. Cool. And of course the links will be down below. Check them out. Alright. That's come in handy if you're on the computer a lot. Put this around your neck during your Netflix binge watching. Go. Let's take a look at this thing. Oh yeah. Oh, there goes the box. Oh. There we go. Here's the box. Comes in a nice little pouch. Carry-on tote. Take it on the airplane with you. The manual. We don't need that. Should be easy. We got the cords. Oh, you can put it in your car for a road trip, your RV. Holy smokes. Look at that thing. Look at what you get inside. Holy moly. What the heck? Oh, this is like a fanny pouch. Upgraded version. Got a power cord right here. Plug that in. I don't think it's... Whoa. It's like a seat cover almost. I don't know how you're supposed to wear this thing. I guess we're going to need a manual. But I know you plug it in here. I'm going to have to get my outlet. I got one. Move it away, box. Operation. Yep. Okay, let's get this out of the package. So it's either a cigarette lighter for the car or for the home. Car adapter and then home kit. Pretty cool. This definitely comes in handy. Ooh. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good today with the rain. Might be one of those days gaming and some massage time. And of course, they also have that foot massager, which I tested last night. Works really great. That link is going to be down below. You could get one of those at a low cost from Nursal. There's the cigarette lighter. Oh, geez. Had a phone call. There we go. Cigarette lighter comes with extra plug. Just plug it in there. I'm going to plug this into the wall socket right now. Just give me a minute. We'll see what this thing can do. It's crazy though. I would think you could probably get away with this on an airplane. Pretty sure. They won't say nothing, but I'm not sure where you're going to plug it into. I don't know. I haven't been on an airplane in many years, so who knows what they have on them. Right. And where is power switch? Is it plugged in fully? Oh, here we go. Oh boy, let me move this around. Right, round. We got the power. Whoa. Holy moly, look at that thing go. That's heavy kneading right there. Holy smokes. This is cool. There's different cycles. You could go. There's like 1 and 2. I just pressed this one. Whoa. Like giant balls. Turn on. Oop. So the red is the heat. Off is normal. Awesome. I'm gonna try my neck. I wanna see how heavy this thing is. Oh, does your shoulder. Whoa. Holy moly. Oh yeah. You guys gotta get one of these. And like rubs your shoulders and everything. And it's trippy. It feels like a pair of hands. Actually it does. This is cool. Definitely would help on the road trips. Especially the truckers. All you truck drivers out there, this would definitely come in handy. Think about other good uses. School bus drivers. Mailman. Ah, yeah. I zoned out for a sec. Alright. Oh. Like I said, it's not that heavy at all. Just carry on with you. But it does great. See, look at that. Boom. Got the hydros. But this thing is sweet. Got the heat. On and off. I think these are like the handles to hold on to it. It's like relax. Look at that thing go. But there's the instruction manual. Like I said, it's pretty simple. Man, that does work. Oh boy. So thank you guys at Nursal for sending me this, and YouTubers, check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Get this in no time. Be great for gifts for anybody, any age. It works great. Alright, YouTubers, that's it to show you for today. I'm not sure if I will be back tomorrow, Mother's Day. I might be sometime in the morning if I get something. If not, have a good weekend. Be safe and see ya.